Let me show you how I create a rough select comparison sequence from one source clip in Premiere Pro with the help of an AI agent. So I started with this recording. Agents are changing what is practically automatable in Premiere Pro. Agents are changing what is practically automatable in Premiere Pro. And it continues like this with many takes of all lines of my script. So I tell ChatGPT Codex to analyze the transcript, identify all lines which occur multiple times, and then organize everything in a new timeline, such that multiple takes of the same line are stacked on top of each other. After about 4 minutes of processing, Codex and mamoworld automation agent created this timeline for me. So here I have all 3 takes of my first line, and here the 2 takes I recorded for my second line now. Agents are changing what is practically automatable in Premiere Pro. 2 things matter the most to me here. So now it's much easier for me to find the best take for each line, and I can really focus on the creative part of the editing work. If you want to know all details about this workflow, check out the documentation of Automation Agent for Premiere. There we've got a workflow recipes section where also this workflow is documented.